What are you going to do with those?
We're taking them off and we're hiding them around the back for now because we don't want anyone thinking that we're throwing them away and taking them. We're not sure if we're going to repair them yet or if we're going to just start again. It's a shame because it's only the bottoms that have gone rotten. Anything up to this point is still really solid on all of them. So it seems a shame to throw them away and start again because they are quite nice and they're pretty solid. They're really heavy. They're obviously made of strong stuff. But some of them are in better condition than others, like that one. That one's only got the tiny bit at the bottom missing there, whereas this one is totally disintegrated. So we're not sure yet, is the answer. But we're not throwing them yet, that's for sure. Okay. Okay, so we decided that for now we're just going to try and fix up these shutters. They're not in the best condition, but we haven't got a massive amount of money spare right now, so we're going to try and fix them up temporarily and paint them. Just get the front of the house looking as good as we can. So I'm just going to use a fast set filler that Joe's going to paint this afternoon, and we're going to hope that it holds up best we can. It obviously won't survive a winter, but by next winter we should have enough money in the kitty to get them replaced or repaired properly. So I've just got a plank of wood underneath holding the filler in place as I push it through. Just keep going. Beautiful morning here, as always. Pardon? Oh. Dog wouldn't do that. So as long as you get into the cracks as much as you can, it should give it a little bit of strength and allow it to prolong its life a little bit. This one's worse than the last one though. I have to build this up in layers, I think. None of this is ideal, but when you're working on a budget, you've got to really just make the best of what you've got. So this is the other window, not in the best condition, but also not in the worst. These wooden windows look much nicer than the PVC ones. They just need a little bit of maintenance, which the villa hasn't had up until now. This corner's going a bit rotten, so I'm just going to keep an eye on those. And definitely before the next winter comes, we'll do a bit of maintenance. Get more maintenance on them to protect them from another winter. But yeah, they're lovely. Hello, babe.
Hi.
What are you up to?
I am going to brighten up the window frames at the front of the villa and for the main bedroom.
So we decided that we're going to do this in a couple of phases. This is like the brightening phase, so there's a lot of work that needs doing, but all we want to do right now is make it look a bit nicer, right?
Yeah, we need to revisit this in the future when we have more time and a bit more money. For now, we just want to make the villa look more appealing to us and to anyone who comes past, because we're trying to bring her back to life.
Yep. We also don't have that much time on this particular visit, do we? So
no,
we just want to make it look as fresh and bright as possible, just because that makes us feel better when we actually look at it. And then when we've got more time in the future and we spend more time over here, we'll go around and do the jobs like filling it, getting new shutters, new hinges. But yeah.
Can't afford to do it all at once.
No.
Make, do, amend.
Make, do, amend. Also fixing plates and some screws. So I'm going to try and repurpose some of this wood and use it on the shutters. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to try and do something. So this is probably going to have to come out. Maybe replace it with this. Just going to get it going and see what works. I don't really have a plan right now, so let's just see what we end up with. The old mosquito nets, a good idea, but they block out so much light and they're kind of ugly. But the main issue for us is the light. No fan blocking out light. We usually do all we can to try and find ways of getting more light in. So anything that takes away from that, let's let it go. No. Secured the bracket, cut the wood, got rid of the rotten piece. Fill it.
My mom says love's not easy, just keep your head held high. People will find you pretty, I just wonder where they are. I got one extra ticket, do you like Comic-Con? Someone must think I'm pretty fly right now. Maybe I'm going crazy, can't catch a break lately, and I just wonder what you gotta do to get a little baby. You look amazing, I said it, I meant it, and I just wonder what you gotta do to get a little love.
Okay, so currently it isn't pretty, but it should be functional. So what I'll do tomorrow is sand it down, try and get it looking even as possible, and then apply a thin layer of filler over the top of that. Hopefully it will set okay overnight. We can have a go at painting them tomorrow. So that's the front, that's the back currently. Some time for it all to dry now, so I'm going to come back and see what it looks like tomorrow. Oh. But it's stronger than it was. That's what we were trying to achieve. Okay.
So that's the repair of the shutters wrapped up for this week. Next week we're going to be adding a splash of colour and getting them hung back onto the villa for everyone to see. Thanks very much for joining us again. We really appreciate your likes and subscriptions, and we hope you join us next week. Bye.